That isn't the whole person. That's just a representation of what they've done for 4 years. And that's where digital wallets and learning and employment records, to me, if we can start them early enough, shows and paints that whole picture. The degree is kind of like is a mini toolbox. It shows you what the color of the outside of the box looks like, and it should give you an idea of what's inside, but sometimes it doesn't. Unfortunately, that social license to operate has kind of gotten a little tarnished because you can't tell what's in the toolbox anymore, whereas I think probably 20 years ago, 30 years ago, you had a better shot at it. In terms of helping people fill their toolbox, that's where I think we can do a little bit better job of building those pipelines. It's okay if somebody wants to go to a local community college. They may need that extra 1 or 2 years to prepare themselves to be able to go to a larger university to complete their degrees and then move on to something else.